Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to post a job on Facebook or hire someone on Facebook. First, go to facebook.com and then click on the status bar to create a post. Now click on audience and make the post public. Now just type in your job post. As an example, I put article writer needed for 5 blog posts in the health niche. After you're done writing, just click on post. Now just wait for it to get posted. Once it's done, as you can see, the post will be visible on your profile. Now search for groups that may have interested people who would like to work on this. For example, I'm searching freelancer jobs online. As you can see, there are multiple groups to join. Now just join a group that you want. After joining, go to Create Post on the group. Now, put in the same message here as well, and then click on Post. This way you can put the job post on multiple groups to get a better response. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.